Hello everyone, thanks for clicking and welcome back to the English channel. In today's video, we are going to go through the leafy vegetables. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍សាជាថ្មីមកកាន់ The English channel នៅក្នុងវីដេអូថ្ងៃនេះយើងមករៀនអំពីបន្លែស្លឹកមួយចំនួន Let's get started. 1. ផ្កាអង្គារដី Buckful 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 2. ស្អំ Climbing Wordle Climbing Wordle Climbing Wordle 3. ស្លឹកងប់ Kentuck 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 4. ស្លឹកបាស Ivy gourd leaf Ivy gourd leaf Ivy gourd leaf 5. ស្លឹកចាភ្លឺ Wild beetle leaf Wild beetle leaf Wild beetle leaf ទី 6 ស្លឹកម្លូ Beetle leaf Beetle leaf Beetle leaf 7. ផ្លែស្លា Areca nut Areca nut Areca nut 8. ស្លឹកជីត្រចៀកជ្រូក Spanish thyme Spanish thyme Spanish thyme 9. ផ្កាស្នោ Sesame flowers Sesame flowers Sesame flowers 10. កញ្ឆែត Water mimosa Water mimosa Water mimosa 11. ដើមម្អម Rice paddy herb Rice paddy herb Rice paddy herb 12. ជីឆ្អាប Fish word Fish word Fish word 13. ក្រសាំងទៀប Pepper elder Pepper elder Pepper elder 14. ពោតបារាំង Okra 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 15. ទ្រាប់ពុតរំញង Pea eggplant Pea eggplant Pea eggplant 16. ជីវ៉ាន់ស៊ុយ Cilantro 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 17. ស្នៀតពោត Baby corns Baby corns Baby corns 18. ផ្កាស្ដៅ Neem flowers Neem flowers Neem flowers 19. ខ្ទឹមទេស River tamarind River tamarind River tamarind 20. ស្លឹកថ្នាំ Soursop creeper leaves Soursop creeper leaves Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.